Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to show you a walk around and a startup video on a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. Now, this car has been body off restored. We bought this car from a friend of mine. It came out of Colorado, and we've purchased several cars from this gentleman, and he does a really good job restoring these cars. The body, the paint, the interior, all very nice. Like I say, this is probably a fourth or fifth car that we've purchased that's came from this gentleman, and he doesn't cut any corners when it comes to the paint and body and interiors in these cars are very nice. We brought the car back here. It wasn't quite all the way finished, and we did all of our finishing touches to the car and made it kind of our own. 427 big block engine underneath the hood, automatic transmission, power steering. It's got disc brakes on the front of it with drilled and slotted rotors. Beautiful restoration. Brand new paint on this car, new interior, carpet, seat covers, headliners, sail panels, package tray, dash pad. We brought the car back. It's got it's got new door panels front and back. The whole interior kit in this car is all new. We put the Dakota digital dash in the car. So I think it's a VTX. You can see the jam, the paint on the jams, very nice. New sill plates. New black vinyl top. New 20-inch coys. Black chrome wheels. Show you inside the trunk here. Inside the trunk, all spackle painted. Very nice, clean car. Trunk mat. I don't like these trunk mats, but it was brand new and it was in there, so I just left it. Whoever buys it can choose to do what they want. New rubber seals. There. Had a little dirt inside there. I didn't want you to think it was scratched up or anything. Just try to keep a towel in my pocket. Check down the sides of the car. Very nice, clean, straight car. Jam paint, just as nice as the rest. Open the hood quick. There we go. Aluminum intake, Holley carburetor. Does retain the original style exhaust manifolds. Aluminum radiator. Very nicely detailed engine compartment. We'll fire it up here quick. These digital dashes are so nice. They look great in these cars too. We put the retro radio in it. We put kick panel speakers in it as well. Them blades are brand new. I bet that's what it's dragging on. Neutral safety switch is brand new as well. And the lights around the console work. The lights around the heater controls work. Tail light, license plate light, turn signal. Does have serpentine belts. What a gorgeous car. A freshly, beautifully restored 67 Chevelle 427. Butternut yellow with a black vinyl top and black interior. They don't get much better than that. They don't get much sharper. I know that. Every once in a while you hear that belt squealing just a little bit. So we got one headlight. They all were on a little while ago, but I have to check the little wire behind it. Chilly out this morning, so, and I got the windows all down, so I'm gonna run it outside of town here and come right back. Goes right down the road. We'll go out here and turn around and come back the other way. All the gauges work. Like I said, the instrument cluster, the gauges are all brand new in this car. The radio works, gauges work. This car's no slouch either. Runs pretty good. Get out here and walk around the car so you can see it outside in the daylight. Sometimes when it's inside the building there, you know, you can't get a real good idea of what the color really looks like. So get it out here in the daylight so you can take a look at it. The hinges, when I shut the hood, I just push down on it just a little bit. They're all brand new. They might be just needing to be lubricated a little bit. And I'll have pictures of the bottom side of this car here for you here in just a little bit too. Very nice, solid car. Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, so give us a call if you are interested in purchasing this 1967 beautifully restored Chevrolet Chevelle. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, everybody.